Hi, this is Ian, your SD MLS specialist. Let's talk about how to use the multiple address field in Paragon. For mastery of this and all topics, please remember to play, pause, and practice. To start using the multiple address feature, we'll need to get to a search page. In this case, I want to use a residential search, so let's go to the search icon and click on residential. When this page opens up, we'll see our regular address field listed here where we can search for one street at a time. In this case, we want to search with more than one street name at a time. Let's say that you want to move back to your old neighborhood and you want to live on the same street as mom, or maybe one street over. So let's add both of those streets into the search. In order to get to the multiple address field, we're going to go to the top and click on Customize, and then choose Fields. When the Customize Fields box opens up, we need to search for multiple addresses. I recommend clicking in the Find box and begin typing in the word multiple addresses. Once you see your option, we're going to check mark this box and then click Add. Scroll to the bottom of the selected fields to find your new field added. I'm going to put a check mark in and then choose Move Up. I'd like to get this multiple address field closer to the address. There we are. And now that I have this in position, I'm going to click Apply, and in just a few moments, I'm going to notice that this new field is right here under Address, just as I selected. We can click anywhere here in the gray bar or the magnifying glass to open up the multiple address function. You'll notice you have the ability to enter in a range of numbers. This is not necessary, but you can use it if you want to narrow down your street search to a particular block or range of blocks. In this search, my client would be happy to live on either of the two streets that is on her list. The one is La Mesa. And now that that's been typed in, we're going to click on Add. The other street that my client would be happy to live on would be Neptune. Let's type that in and then click on Add. At this point, we've added in two street names. We'll see them here. We have the option to remove or to edit those street names if we see that there was a typo. Everything looks good here, and we don't need a range, so we're going to go ahead and click on the Save button. When you click on Save, we will see our choices displayed here in the multiple address field. Should you need to return back in, you can go ahead and click on the gray bar or the magnifying glass. The only other field I'd say to think about using would be the zip area, just to make sure that we eliminate all possible results that are outside of the area in which you wish to see results. So let's go ahead and add in the zip code for Encinitas because that's where we're searching today. Great. And do you see here, it's narrowed our search down from 26 all the way down to 4, which would be a much more reasonable number to work with. Let's click on Search to get to our results. And as these results appear, you will see that, of course, our results are in 92024, but they are including Neptune and La Mesa. Now, this has been how to use the multiple address feature in Paragon. Please visit us at sdmls.com, click on the Paragon icon, and then select Training Videos to find out about other topics. This has been Ian, your SDMLS specialist, reminding you to play, pause, and practice.